Welcome to Practicon. In the series of civil engineering discussions in this forum, today let's discuss about the breakwaters. Breakwaters is a structure like artificial offshore structure constructed to protect the harbor waters undisturbed by the effect of heavy seawater waves. This will help to maintain anchoring the ships, import and export operations in the port itself, and maintenance of passenger ships, etc. That is one of the main reason the breakwater structure will be constructed in the ports. So the main purpose is to protect the marine infrastructure from waves and current actions due to the sea waves. Let's see what are the types of breakwaters are available and how they were utilized and how they has been constructed. We will discuss briefly in this lesson. Now, the breakwaters main role and important is to protect the harbor, protect the basin, protect the anchorage. So these is the three key important roles it plays in the port. Based on that, the harbor operations and maintenance will be well maintained. Now, what are the types of breakwaters which we have? One is Rubble Mound Breakwaters, vertical wall breakwaters, composite breakwaters. As we discussed, it will protect the shore area. That should be harbor, anchorage or basin from the wave disturbances. Okay. So this Rubble Mound Breakwaters is like, consist of piles of stones, more or less charted according to their unit weight, smaller stones for the core and the larger stones as the armor layer protecting the core from the wave attacks as shown in the picture. So based on that size, we arrange such that the wall will be created to protect the waves and the currents so that the harbor operations will be maintained. So this is a one type of the breakwaters. The other one is the vertical wall breakwater. So what it is actually, the big wall constructed to protect the water waves for harbor basins. This probably based on the cement or concrete or different types of material, but the big wall will be constructed to protect the waves and to operate the harbor operations. The last one is we discussed the composite breakwater, which has the similar kind of breaking the water to protect either by wall or maybe some other forms by using different nowadays in new technologies there is a plastic or maybe some other materials has been used to construct the breakwaters structures. So that is all comes under the composite breakwater structures. So this is the brief update, types and the necessity of the breakwaters. Please subscribe the channel for more updates on this. Thank you.